Websites of major foreign news outlets such as the New York Times, The Guardian, CNN International, Vox, and BBC went down after their cloud services provider Fastly suffered a crash. Websites of Amazon, UK government, and Reddit also suffered the outage. Fastly posted on its website that they have identified the glitch and fixed it. The issue has been identified and a fix has been applied. Customers may experience increased origin load as global services return, it said. Most of the websites are now up and running. UK technology editor at The Guardian Alex Hearn tweeted that a massive internet outage affecting websites including The Guardian, Amazon, UK government and Reddit has been traced to a failure in content delivery network run by Fastly. The government has placed orders to procure 25 crore doses of Covishield from Serum Institute of India and 19 crore doses of Covaxin from Bharat Biotech, Niti Aayog member of Health Dr. V.K. Paul said in Health Ministry briefing on Tuesday. The order placed today is in addition to the vaccine orders already secured with both the manufacturers, added Dr. Paul. A total of 53.6 crore vaccines will be supplied till July, starting from January this year. These 44 crore doses of Covishield and Covaxin combined will be available between August and December 2021, starting now. Additionally, 30% of the advance for procurement of both the vaccines has been released to Serum Institute of India and Bharat Biotech. Amid debate whether the centre's decision to provide free COVID-19 vaccine to all above 18 years was triggered by the Supreme Court's recent remarks on the jab policy, the Class 5 student of Kerala, Lidwin Joseph, has written to Chief Justice N.V. Ramana lauding the top court for its effective intervention and saving lives in the fight against the pandemic. Joseph, a student of Kendriya Vidyalaya at Thrissur, also enclosed in her letter a drawing depicting discharge of duties by the apex court where a judge is seen hammering down coronavirus and has the tricolour, lion capital and smiling portrait of father of the nation. The lucky girl has now got Chief Justice of India's response and best wishes as well for her beautiful letter and heartwarming illustration of a judge at work in her drawing accompanying the letter. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray met with Prime Minister Narendra Modi today and raised the subject of Maratha quota struck down by the Supreme Court recently. Uddhav Thackeray had also asked for 10 minutes of FaceTime with PM Modi, sources say, but details are not known yet. On his separate meeting with the Prime Minister, Uddhav Thackeray remarked that we may not be politically together, but that doesn't mean our relationship has broken. I did not go to meet a Nawaz Sharif. So if I met him, that is the Prime Minister, separately in person, there is nothing wrong with it. Last month, Uddhav Thackeray wrote to Prime Minister Modi and requested him to take steps to declare the Maratha community in the state as a socially and educationally backward caste so that they would claim reservation in education 12% and jobs 13%. Two people were arrested after French President Emmanuel Macron was slapped by a man during a walkout session with a crowd in the Drôme region in southeastern France, BFM TV and RMC Radio reported on Tuesday. BFM TV and RMC published a video clip circulating on Twitter which shows a man in green t-shirt with glasses and a face mask shout out "Down with Macronia" and then deliver a slap to Macron's face. Macron's security entourage quickly intervened to pull the man to the ground and move Macron away from him. Macron's entourage confirmed that a man had attempted to slap Macron. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus, we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel, HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our super supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.